Ermaksan launched the new generation press brake model, Green Press FX Servo, to her global customer portfolio. Green Press FX Servo, developed by solely Ermaksan's engineering and R&D experience, uses servo electric motor technology and makes a big difference in the sector by its environment-friendly structure without any contaminant. There is high energy efficiency and no any oil usage at Ermaksan's green technology, Green Press FX Servo model. This machine makes the pressing by synchronized two servo motors moving top beam via belts and pulleys. There is no throat depth at this machine compared to ordinary press brakes. Thus, full-length bending operations can be done between the columns. Safety is at max level at this machine. Front light bodyguard, Liu's MLC 100 is appropriate to CE regulations. Furthermore, front top, lateral, and rear sides of the machine are surrounded with closed guards. Keeping developing innovative technologies up Ermaksan will continue to fulfill her all responsibilities about environmental awareness, which is growing rapidly around the world.